So today I'm going to try something a little different. I want to do a vlog style video, take you along with me. I've got errands to run on the bike and a few things to pick up so we can start doing some maintenance. So the plan is coffee first, and then we're going to get the rear tire change on the Moto Morini. I'll show you right now. Yeah, it's long overdue getting this tire change, so finally going to get that done. It's due another service. I've got the oil, need to go and pick up the oil filter, so we'll do that as well. And we also want to go to Cycle Gear to pick up some more prizes for the Moto Coffee Run. And along the way, we're going to talk about the Moto Coffee Run and some other things that are upcoming with JB Moto. So it's time to get on the road and go and grab some coffee. Yeah, it's in my pocket. See you. Thank you. Okay, so that was Ruthie's. Ruthie's is one of the coffee shops on the Moto Coffee Run. Now, if you don't know what the Moto Coffee Run is, it's a motorcycle passport challenge where we have 28 coffee shops all over San Diego County. Now, the reason I did the Moto Coffee Run is to raise awareness and hopefully some funds for men's health, in particular men's mental health. At the end of the season in October, we'll be donating all the money we raised to the Movember charity. This is the first year we've done the Moto Coffee Run. It's been received really well. I'm a veteran of the British military, and I wanted to do something to kind of help in a little way. We're now on the way to 8-Ball Tires in Escondido. Get this rear tire changed out. Then we'll be heading to Cycle Gear to pick up the filter so I can do the oil change later, and pick up the gift card and the quad lock to add to the Moto Coffee Run end of season prize pack. Cool. I'm gonna get my head down and get to 8-Ball. Okay, that's the rear tire taken care of. Just gonna hop over to Cycle Gear, just a couple of blocks away, so here we go.
So this cycle gear didn't have the filter for this bike, so I'm just gonna shoot on over to another one, but I'm just gonna have a quick stop off at Red Wing to check out some boots. I'm gonna head on home now, and we'll catch up and talk about some of the projects JB Moto has got going on. Let's go.
So I just got back about an hour ago. I'm going to get the oil change taken care of. I want to get that done, and then I want to talk about plans for the Moto Morini and the plans for the bobber frame. So that's the oil change done on the Moto Morini. Now, I've had this nearly 2 years, and a few months back, I had the thought to sell it. I wanted something a little more old school, maybe an early 90s Honda XR or something like that. But then I started thinking, this bike has been great. It hasn't missed a beat. It's taken me all over. It took me to Seattle and around Washington, and then it got me back from Seattle to San Diego in 24 hours. I didn't treat this bike nice, and it performed. So instead of selling it, my plan with the Moto Morini is to retro spec it. Yeah, it's a cool looking bike, but really I like the more old school stuff. So I'm going to explore how I can strip this back and retro spec it, make it look older than it is. Obviously it'll lose some weight in the process. Yes, it's going to make it less practical, but in my mind, I think it's going to make it a hell of a lot cooler. And that's what I'm more interested in with this. So yeah, so stay tuned for this. The bobber frame that we got built to my spec in the UK. I'm just doing my research on parts that I need to get. So that will be another build that will be on the channel. In the meantime, I'm heading to the UK. And while I'm out there, I'm going to use that time to do some research on how we can make these two builds happen and start ordering parts. Thanks for coming along on this kind of vlog day of me running errands. I hope you're enjoying the content. We're just getting started. I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.